morning to all students of class first year English medium. I want to give you information first that you have been passed and you have been promoted to the class 11th by the UP government, by the Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad Uttar Pradesh, and now you have to study in first year class 10th. Students who were studying in class 10th last year have been promoted. All of them have been promoted to the class first year by the Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad. So you have become the student of class 11th. At first you have to consult the office. You have to buy the books, textbooks and registers from the books. Registers all are available in the schools and you have to purchase them at school. The concession will be given on the books and on the registers. So you should not be puzzled that the market is cheaper than the school. It is wrong notion. It is wrong opinion. You have to buy the books from the college, books and registers, and also you have to pay attention that if your fee is in balance, unpaid, you should also try to deposit the fee timely and get promoted and start reading. You have to attend the class daily. I am your English teacher now, LP, and I will teach you in first year and inter class. You should know that English is English. It is taught in English. It is learnt in English. It is written in English. What your board may be, CBSE board, ICSE board, all are that taught English subject by English teacher. There is no Hindi in this subject. That's why it is compulsory that you should start the class and study reading and learning and writing. You have to do everything in the fair copies. You have to make 3 copies in English. I will tell you further. Now I will tell you that the verb forms are the root of the English and you have to learn them properly because it is the foundation of English. As any house is made, its foundation is made first. In the same way, English it depends on the verb forms and the meanings. Dictionary should be strong, and it may be strong when you learn day by day daily, when you will attend the classes daily regularly, and important class it is, and inter class is very important because after inter you may attempt any kind of condition, and English is very compulsory in competition also. So in the purpose of competition you have to prepare English very much and you have to work hard in this subject. In 9th and first year English was very easy, but in first year and inter it is very tough. So you have to pay attention towards your study. Start since now, reading, writing and learning. So this is the root of English. Verb forms are root of the English. You have to write down them in your fair copy and learn them day by day. Then you will be progressing daily and your progress will be admirable. I hope that you will also pay attention towards the study, will be responsible students. So the verb forms are go means jana, go, went, gone, come, ana, come, came, come, khana, eat, ate, eaten, pina, drink, drank, drunk, sona, sleep, slept, slept, karna, do, did, done, पाना, get, got, लिखना, write, wrote, written, पढ़ाना, teach, taught, पढ़ना, read. So there is difference between पढ़ाना and पढ़ना. You have to learn it because most of the students are confused and in the place पढ़ाना they use teach. It is wrong. They should use teach in the place where the पढ़ाना शब्द is used, and they should for पढ़ना they should use read, देखना, see, saw, seen, याद करना, learn, देना, gave, given, लेना, come, लेना, take, took, taken, दौड़ना, run, ran, ran, बैठना, sit, sat, खड़े होना, stand, stood. I am sending you through WhatsApp also, and in your WhatsApp you can see it by expanding it. If these are not visible to you clearly, you may expand it, and after that you should start these were forms in your fair copy. Thank you very much. I hope that you will follow my instruction. Thank you.